Delaware faces a statewide issue of sexual harassment. More than 1,000 sexual assault kits are lying untested in backlog in police departments. They contain evidence of sexual harassment and violence collected from the victims after the fact. This indicates the magnitude of the problem in the state. After California, New York, Connecticut, and Maine, Delaware became the 5th state in the U.S. to pass a statute requiring sexual harassment training in the workplace. The new Delaware anti-sexual harassment law recommends interactive sexual harassment training for employees to educate them on different facets of the problem. According to the first state's new sexual harassment law, employers with 50 or more employees must provide sexual harassment prevention training to all employees. The training must be repeated every 2 years. It must cover the definition of sexual harassment, the illegality of sexual harassment, examples of sexual harassment, the process for lodging complaints, prohibition against retaliation, and available legal remedies. New employees, both supervisors and non-supervisors, must receive training within 1 year of commencing office. Employers must distribute the information sheet on sexual harassment prepared by the Department of Labor, either physically or electronically. ProProfs offers a professionally designed and ready-to-use sexual harassment training course for Delaware. You can use it as is or customize to meet your specific training requirements. In addition to the course, you also get a SaaS LMS that you can deploy to conduct your compliance training. Using this tool, you can easily personalize your workplace training courses with your logo, add company sexual harassment policies, track learners' progress, automate compliance reminders, and much more. Sign up for a free ProProfs account today. Create a healthy, productive, and harassment-free workplace by meeting all compliance requirements. We're here to help if you need us. We have phone support, instant chat help, and a huge knowledge base.